Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to disable Steam Guard on your Steam application. So if you do not want to receive notifications when you have to re-enter back in your credential after signing out of Steam, and you need a email notification with a code in order to get back in. I show you guys how to disable two-factor authentication in Steam. First open up Steam, click on Steam tab and select settings. On left side select security. On right side select under the Steam Guard. You just need to select the manage Steam Guard. There are three options over here guys. Get Steam Guard codes from the Steam application on my phone. Now I just selected get Steam Guard codes by email. Will require you to re-log in, and you just need to turn it off. Then you just need to select the turn Steam Guard off. You just need to select this option guys. I don't want to select this option, but you guys need to select this option, and then it will require an email confirmation to disable the Steam Guard. In your Gmail you will be received a request that you want to disable Steam Guard. You just need to select the disable Steam Guard, and that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.